Assalamu alaikum. Again, we have to talk with soil microbiology. In previous class, we have discussed about carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle. That microorganisms are responsible to convert organic or complex carbon and nitrogen into elemental form and to the environment. And from environment, these microbial communities are responsible to convert elemental nitrogen into organic form as well as uh, environmental carbon dioxide and elemental carbon dioxide into complex organic form. So microorganisms are playing vital and key role uh, in elemental cycling on this planet. जिससे हम जमीन So the third important element of the soil is the phosphorus cycle. We know that phosphorus is an essential component of the organic matter, especially living organisms, plant and animals, birds, etc. etc. Each living organism have DNA, and in DNA, phosphorus is present in form of phosphodiester bond. Okay, so this is in organic form. Unlike nitrogen, phosphorus is often present in soil, but logged in the insoluble forms. One thing, phosphorus is present in organic form, and another thing, it is also present in soil, but it is in logged and insoluble form. So what happens is solubilization. Microbes produce organic acids. Microorganisms have ability to produce certain type of acids like citric or oxalic acid to dissolve the inorganic phosphate into calcium phosphate. So this is the major role of microorganisms to convert uh, logged phosphorus into soluble form. Mineralization, phosphate enzyme breakdown organic phosphate, phytin, and phospholipids. So uh, in two domains, phosphorus is present. One phosphorus is present in soil, which is immobilized form, which is clogged form. So microbes are producing enzymes to solubilize this phosphate. When this phosphate will be solubilized, so this will be available to the plant roots to absorb and to accumulate into its parts. And it is construction of organic matter work takes place. Second, the phosphorus which is present in organic matter, microorganisms are responsible to break down this phosphate, which is present in lipids, phospholipids, which is present in DNA. It will be converted into elemental form. So, which type of microorganisms are functioning for this? Number one, Bacillus subtilis. This is the most abundant species of soil environment. Pseudomonas fluorescens and mycorrhizal fungi, extended root roots, which are uh, absorbing phosphorus from far away and providing to the plant. So these are the microorganisms which are producing enzymes and converting organic phosphate into elemental form, and it provides to the another population, such as plants. Third one, sulfur cycle. Sulfur is also essential element. It is present in amino acid. Sulfur transformation is vital for the synthesis of essential amino acid, cysteine and methionine. These are essential amino acids. And for the synthesis of two these amino acids, sulfur is compulsory. So mineralization, when sulfur is present in living organisms in organic form, it is converted into H2S. And this H2S, this process is called mineralization, right? Oxidation. When H2S converts into elemental form and from elemental to sulfate form. This is called oxidation. And the thiobacillus species are heavily left here. These two thiobacillus species are working to oxidize the sulfur into its elemental form and later on into sulfate. Reduction. Sulfates are converting into H2S under anaerobic oxidation by disulfovability. So these microorganisms are responsible to convert sulfate into H2S form. So here, if you will see the sulfur, while it is present, suppose organic form of sulfur is going into the soil. From atmospheres, sulfur is going into the soil, into sulfate forms. From plants, also it is going into the soil and oceans. So what happens? When this organic matter, either it is in animal form, either it is in plant form, whenever it is going into the soil, microorganisms are decomposing this organic material and convert them into elemental form. So sulfur is unstable element. It converts into some initially H2S form and then SO4 form. When we are burning such type of materials which contain sulfur, it is going into the atmosphere in SO2 form. Sulfates in the atmosphere and forms the sulfates into the atmosphere. And second thing, it also arises from the volcano release H2S. These two are coming into atmosphere and making sulfates in atmosphere. So this sulfate is drained, is directed to the soil in form of the rain. Again, it comes into the soil and facilitates, and it is available now growing organisms, either those are plants, arbusters, or other things. Which type of factors affecting the transformation, conversion of organic forms into elemental form and conversion of elemental form into organic form? Which factors are supporting? Number one, moisture. Excess water leads to anaerobic condition that leads to denitrification process. Number one, moisture plays a vital role in a transformation of elements from one form to another. If huge water is there, it will generate anaerobic environment. It will not allow the diffusion of the molecule of oxygen. So it will elements will convert into organic or inorganic form in anaerobic environment. So that type of process is called denitrification. pH. Most bacteria prefer neutral pH for their function, and just the fungi tolerates acidic soil. So if pH is suitable, pH is neutral, most of the microbial populations working very well and decompose rapidly, demineralize rapidly organic material into elemental form. If pH will be alkaline or acidic, it will be a little bit effect and the process will be slow. Temperature. Temperature is most contributing factor because most of the microorganisms, they are able to work in uh, mesophilic environment to 37, 25, and 40, 25 to 35. And microorganisms are actively participating. If this temperature deviates, it changes. Either it goes at it is upper level or it is going to it is lower level, so it can affect the mineralization process. Carbon nitrogen ratio. High carbon nitrogen ratio like straw can cause nitrogen robbery while microbes consume all available nitrogen. So such type of phenomena also takes place. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion of the uh, elemental cycling in soil through microorganisms. So conclusion and agriculture impact. So what happens whenever this process is taking place? Recycling of elements takes place in soil. So what happens? Soil fertility increases. Microbes ensure a steady supply of the nutrients to crops. Number one, this thing. So such type of soil where microbial activity is high and accurately taking place, where nutrients where organic matter or elemental cycling is taking place fastly. So such type of soil are called the dial soil. So sometimes we are checking microbial communities, either if huge microbial communities are there, microbial load is too high, we are considering such soils are very fertile. And the soils which contain the low microbial communities and less diversity, we are assuming that these soils are not fertile. Sustainability, reducing reliance on chemical fertilizers by leveraging biofertilizer. When microbial community is abundantly and hugely actively working and converting all available organic material into elemental form and producing acids to convert insoluble phosphorus into soluble forms. So we are getting right. Uh, Chemical fertilizers, and we can save our economy, we can reduce our economic costs. Takeaway, healthy soil is not just dirt, it is a functional ecosystem powered by microbial chemistry. So whenever microbial population is there, those soils are also a good ecological system. So up to this, we are closing here today, and from this, we will go for our next class. I hope you will better understand this thing, and thank you very much.